Move over. ChatGPT, Meta's new AI chat app powered by Llama 4, just dropped for iPhone and iPad, and it's a total game changer. Stick with GadInsider to find out why. What's up, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Meta just launched its first standalone AI app, Meta AI, powered by the cutting-edge Llama 4 model. Available now for iPhone and iPad, it's ready to take on the likes of ChatGPT. Let's dive into what makes this app special and how it's changing the AI game. Meta AI is a dedicated app for iOS, letting you chat with AI via text or voice in a super conversational way. Powered by Llama 4, it's built for smarter, more natural interactions than its predecessors. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, answering questions, or just chatting, it's designed to feel like a real convo. Llama 4's efficiency is wild. Meta claims it outshines rivals like GPT-4o in some benchmarks, and it's already powering Meta AI across WhatsApp and Instagram. Now, this standalone app gives iPhone and iPad users a focused AI experience. Why is this app a must-try? First, it's versatile. Use it for work, creativity, or just fun chats, all with Llama 4's multimodal smarts. Second, it's exclusive to iOS for now, giving iPhone and iPad users a front row seat. And unlike some AI apps, it's backed by Meta's massive ecosystem, so expect tight integration with their platforms. Voice mode is a standout. Imagine hands-free chats while cooking or working out. Plus, Meta's pushing privacy with opt-out features for data training, addressing backlash from WhatsApp users. This is AI done the Meta way. Ready to try Meta AI? It's live on the App Store for iPhone and iPad, free to download. Just search Meta AI, install, and start chatting. Developers can also tap into Llama 4 via Meta's new API for building cool apps. Follow GadInsider for hands-on reviews and tips as we test this out. That's the buzz on Meta's AI chat app. GadInsider fam, are you downloading it to take on ChatGPT? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to stay ahead of the tech wave.